looking at high temperatures likely into the 90s this afternoon. But at least as we're starting off, temperatures are about where you would expect them to be for this time of the year. Coming in right at 57 in the Pittsburgh area. Most places mid-50s as we're starting off. And we could actually see some areas hitting the mid-90s for highs today, even though I think most places will likely be closer to the 90-degree mark. You're seeing the temperature now 57 out there. Notice the dew point. That is very important today. It's 52 degrees, so our humidity levels, the dew point, measure moisture at the surface, fairly low at this time. That is so important because that means that our temperatures are really going to start to shoot up as we do have a warm and very dry air mass that's in place. This is a little bit unusual for the Pittsburgh area, more almost what you would expect well west of the Mississippi. Hey, it's 57 in Pittsburgh, Butler 53, and Franklin at 54 degrees, Greensburg 54, and Washington at 53. There's your forecast high today, 91. The record high, by the way, is 94 degrees. We're looking at the wind just out of the southeast at 2 to 5, so no strong wind that's going to help to cool us off or anything like that. Hey, we are warming up. If we hit that 94-degree mark, obviously it'll be the first time we've done that since 1933. I'm forecasting us shy of that by a couple of degrees, but I got to tell you, especially with just how dry it is out there, 94 is certainly within reach. September 11th, last year, the last time we hit the 90s, we did it 3 times last year. And so today will likely be one of the hottest of 2020 is what it looks like. There's your forecast. Look at just how fast we warm up. By 10 o'clock, we're already nearing 80 degrees. We're already into the upper 80s by 1. And we'll put the 4 o'clock temperature right there at 90 degrees. Temperatures on Wednesday just as hot as today, especially when you're factoring in humidity levels will be higher. And that means Wednesday technically could actually feel hotter if you're outside than what it feels like today. Hey, when we're looking at satellite and radar imagery, I want to show you a couple of things. First off, the remnants of Cristobal. You can see the big spin, parts of Arkansas into Missouri. And then we also have our next system that's developing on top of both the Montana area, Wyoming down into Colorado. In fact, parts of Colorado and Wyoming this morning have snow because of what's going on there. Both of those systems are going to come together, and as they do, they will bring us a chance for some stronger storms as we're heading into your Wednesday. At this point, though, model data really has rolled back on our severe weather chances. I can't rule out that we won't see some rain and storms through the day on Wednesday, but the best chance comes just after midnight on Thursday morning. That's when we're expecting a cold front to slide through, and that will bring with it chance for a couple of rumbles, some lightning, some thunderstorms, also some strong wind gusts. There's your 7-day outlook. 91 your expected high temperature today, 89 your Wednesday high, and a Thursday high could be at 78 degrees. Also on Friday, we're looking at a high of 77. So behind the heat on Wednesday, the rest of the week's looking pretty good.